Official fam, good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on? What is going on? Good morning. Welcome back to the stream. I hope you all woke up feeling good. Hope you woke up happy. If not, we're here to make your day better. All right, so let's make sure we smile. No matter what, let's make sure we treat people better than how we're feeling. Let's make sure we continue to spread positivity. Alrighty, let's make sure we do those things. Okay, so just to catch you up here, here's the spreadsheet. We're on October now. Yesterday we had 3 trades. So yeah, this is where we're at. Okay. Daily. I added the profit loss here just because I know a lot of people like to see that from yesterday. Remember, the commissions are not counted in here. I did not put commissions here, okay? But if you want to see the percentages, you want to see all that, there you go. All right, let's get straight over to the MT5. Here we go. Appreciate y'all smacking that like button. First time here, wow, welcome. First time here, good morning. There's a lot of people here, my goodness. Okay, so we'll start with GJ and gold. If it's your first time here, we typically look at GJ and gold in the morning. As 8 o'clock comes through, New York session, we start to shift our focus over to US30. And then after that, I do like to focus on NAS. I know I haven't been looking at NAS too much lately, but we will. Okay, so I'm going to be doing my analysis on TradingView. I'm going to do my analysis on TradingView, and then we'll hop back over here to the MT5, all right? All right, I'm just going to hide the chat for a little bit. I'm not going to be able to see it. Okay, here we go. For those who weren't here, these were those buys we took on US30 yesterday. Wow. Imagine if we didn't get stopped out on those buys. Oh my goodness. All right, that's from yesterday. Okay. We got another daily candle that's looking quite bullish, right? Only problem is we are at a resistance. Yes, we are at a resistance. So Miles, welcome to Super Supporter Miles. I see you. And I know that NFP is this week, so I am expecting it to range after this. So yeah, only issues. Let's go down to the 4-hour. Actually, did I miss something in the hour? Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. If we go down to the 4-hour, you can see that we're bulls up until right now, right? This 4-hour looks like it's pulling back some, retracing some. Okay. So just by looking at this, it does look like this is the next resistance up here. It looks like we currently stopped ourselves right here, okay? So that's pretty much what I see if we do continue bullish. Or pretty much see this gap. It's about 63 pips of a gap. Let's go down to the 1-hour. Let's continue. Okay, so I'm just getting the top of this resistance and dragging it over to the left just so I can see where it's coming from. You know, there's a lot of liquidity in this area, and I say that because there's a lot of wicks. Okay, so when you see a lot of wicks like that built up in one area, there's a lot of liquidity sitting there. And what that means is that's typically where a lot of orders are getting filled, so price can easily reverse here, which is why we do see price reverse here. Okay, now as far as this goes, I do see this resistance up here. So just correcting myself, if we do continue bullish today, then I could see us getting to this point up here. Now as far as if we are done being bullish, let's say we're going to be coming down today, then what can I see? Well, I do see this support down here, and I see all this liquidity here. Is the music too loud, y'all? Let's see. Let me know if the music's too loud. I'm gonna take a second. Just want to make sure you can hear the analysis. Miles, good morning. You're still in NAS from yesterday. Nice. What's up, Goldie G? Damien, good morning. An official fan. What's up, Damien? WJ, great day. Luke did 3 super supporter videos. I'm a beast now. It's crazy how it makes you understand the chart after watching. It all makes sense. Yes, let's go, Luke. Yes. Let's go. Yeah, those of you who are here, you know, I do the general stuff for free here online. But as far as like exclusive strategy stuff and how to read these charts, that's super supporter content. But I'm glad that it makes sense now. You see the secret sauce, Luke. You see it. Music's fine? Okay, thank you. That's what I was waiting for. All right. Let's break this down to the 30. Looks a bit choppy. Yeah, this looks very choppy. Oh my goodness. Too choppy. It's pretty much what it looks like on the 30. Let me see it on the 15. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to correct my zones here. I'm going to use this. I'm going to delete that since we're downtrending here. I'm going to tag out this area. And I'm going to use this area. All right. So these are going to be my zones. That's pretty much what I'm looking at. Check out those sessions. I'm going to just look for the session highs and lows, and I'm just repeating this for those who are new. The yellow is a London session. So if we take a look at London session, it's still currently open, but the high of London session was right here. Right, this is the highest point in the yellow area. Asian session is purple. So if we look at Asian session, just looking for the low of Asian session, and that is down here. All right, and as far as looking for London lows, I know London lows is right here, but it's still open, so we'll see. So that's that. Let's turn that off. I just want an idea of where my bank zones are. Though I know there's one like right here. Okay. All right, so we're good on GJ. As far as setups, I don't see anything particular yet. I want to see how she acts against my zones. And we will be patient. So let's wait for her to knock against one of those zones there, and then we'll get a direction here. All right. So let's just switch you over to actually placing some zones now. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm just placing some zones. Actually, what's that look like on 30? All right. So I'm just going to pull up the chat for a little bit. And then we will do gold. So like I said, we're just waiting for price to hit our zones here. Daniel, good morning. What's up, Janice? Adrian, hello. Whitson, Fareen, what's up? Luke said, I see it. All right, yeah. OX Trader, what's up? Hello. Hi, Jeremy. Sharing with Milo, good morning. What's up, Chris? Good morning. Back with the bang. Let's go. Welcome back. The oddest TV boy, new to the channel, already learning. Love to see it. Nice, nice. Welcome. Tempa, good morning. Hope you're having a great morning there. Chris said I'm up 2% since Monday and Tuesday, just trading US30. Oh, let's go. You like US30? Okay. Okay. Ebony, Grand Rising. Mississippi, good morning. The trading channel, yes, sir. I'm in here this morning. Let's go. You in here? What's up, Alexander? Welcome back. 1 in a million. Hello. Candy Effects. Hello. Hi, Charles. So for those of you who missed the announcement yesterday, we have our first official fam member to make 100K, to cash out 100K. So we're going to be scheduling an interview this week. So look forward to that being the next interview video that I drop on the channel. I'm really excited to do this video. I think it's going to be very motivating for you because this is someone who's in the chat just like you. You know? So those of you who are in the Discord, I did post something there. So I'm actually going to bring that up now. So you can see we have a game plan. I got to find it. Hold on. So if you read about the community in the Discord, basically it says the goal is to keep you on track to success. Let's change your life in 1 year or less, because I can't change your life in 1 year or less. I definitely can't. I can bring you to the table, but it's up to you to eat the food. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to put the work in too. So I made a table that shows the membership badges, and it shows you what level you should be at so that it helps you guide you on your journey. Okay, this is to hold you accountable. Okay. And this does include you showing up to the workshops every week, of course. So let me switch you over. Oh, I didn't switch you. There we go. And let's zoom in here. Let me zoom in a little more. Okay. So month 1, I want you to learn the basics. Now, of course, if you already know the basics, then you can skip this, right? So it's really going to depend on who you are at babypips.com. By the time it comes around for you to renew for your month 2, right? By the time you get to that blue badge, you should be reading those 3 books I suggested: Naked Forex, Candlestick Bible, 10 Times Rule. You should have that done in a month. By the time you move on to your silver crown, right? You should be watching my Think Like the Market Maker series. You should be watching my risk management course. You should be watching all that stuff all in one. Okay, you should be watching that. Now, by the time all this goes around, mind you, it'll be 3 months, and you would have attended, let's see, you would have attended probably about 20, maybe 30. By this time, you probably would have attended 30 sessions with me, 30 backtesting sessions with me, 30 Q&As with me, where you can do unlimited Q&A by this time, by month 3. You would have had psychology. You would have had all that stuff, at least 30 different sessions by this time. Now, after you digest the content, and I teach you all that, you're going to move on to month 4. So between month 4 and month 6, you should be practicing and developing a strategy, right? And we're going to be doing that together, of course. And then between month 6 and month 12, and between there, you're still going to be practicing and getting consistent, which you probably will be by that point, to be honest. If you do everything correctly, then you're going to be ready to take that challenge. So we have you on a very, very specific, you know, the badges do mean something in the chat. It's not just to show off your streak. It is to show off your streak, but it's also, I also created it to hold you accountable. You probably didn't know that, huh? Let me know in the chat if you didn't know that. I know most of the members know that now because you can see that when you join the Discord. But speaking of, can you join the Discord? The Discord's not free anymore. It used to be free, but it's not free no more. So you're gonna have to join a membership for that. All right, let's see. I'll put the link there. If anybody's interested, the link is there, and I will pin it to the top. I know that now. Alexander said, I know that now. Marcia, you know that? Nice. Is this a daily thing? The live streams? Yeah. All right, so we're gonna move over to gold. Okay. Not too much is happening here. So that's what we're going to do. And members, we are working behind the scenes to get these bank zones available to you. We are working behind the scenes to get this software to you. No worries. All right, let me see. Whoa, I'm clicking on the wrong thing. What the heck? Alright, so we got about 7 minutes till that candle closes on gold. So let's take a look at it. It's looking very, very bullish. It almost looks like we are trying to fill out this candle here. It's kind of what it looks like. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Yeah, we got ways to go. We definitely have ways to go here. I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour. Okay. So I'm just gonna straight up take the middle zone here. And just make this a zone. Price is definitely consolidating on the hourly. Looks like we had volume at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., slowed down at 3. Let's go to the 30-minute. And I'm just adjusting my zones. Okay, so yeah, so this is how I'm gonna keep gold for now. Once again, we're consolidating, so there's not really much I can say about it. Just gonna have to wait and be patient. Let's switch you back over here. Let's go to gold. Let's delete the other things we have. Can't nobody use clean, right? Yeah. Can you give me an entry point? Let me see. We got 646 people and 141 likes. So that would be a no. That's why we don't do things for free. Because I ask for things for free, but I don't get things for free. So if I don't get things for free, why should I continue to do things for free, right? You want things for free. I want things for free too. Alright, let's see here. So I'm just stretching this out. This is too thick. Why won't it let me adjust it? Okay, well, it's not that bad now. Okay, we're gonna do that like that. Let me just see. Oh, I forgot to put my zone at the top. You know, I forgot. Let me just do that real quick. Yes, I do see I got you on the wrong screen. But let me just finish putting this line here and I'll switch you over. My fault. Okay, so I got the line up there. If we get up there, actually, I don't really need a zone. Yeah, we don't really need that zone. We got our line. All right, candle closes in about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It's frozen, you said? Let me see. No, I don't think it's frozen. It says we're in the green here. Maybe try refreshing the stream, or like click out and click back in, you know, close out YouTube. Good afternoon. Never drinking on Monday ever again. And bacon. Islands try to use VPN about a membership, but could not. Any other way? No, there's no other way. I'm sorry. But I do have a suggestion. So those of you trying to use the VPN, my suggestion would be to use a private browser. So you know how you can do private browsing on different browsers? Delete your history, all that. Like, do a fresh, clean history, do private browsing, then change your VPN and see if it works. It did work for someone, so that's my only suggestion. All right, so we got the 30-minute candle looking like it's frozen, but it's... Why look like it's frozen? We got like 55 seconds left. But it definitely looks like we are engulfing this entire structure here, right? I mean, to me, it looks like we got ways to move down. I mean, we got a 40 pip gap, y'all. We definitely do have a 40 pip gap. Let me just check on GJ. And GJ looks like she's up to something else. She's still in that range, though. Let's check these bank zones. Okay, we got a bank zone here at 1705. Just a heads up. I don't really have much confluence to this other than it's a 30-minute engulfing. Close below too. But you see how, like, so something like this, whether you think it's gonna go down or not, if it doesn't fully align with all of your confluences and things that you use, then you kind of leave the trade alone. You know, so I'm leaving this trade alone because it doesn't align with everything that I do. I don't see enough. You know what I mean? It's giving, but it's not enough. You know what I'm saying? Firefox private browsing or Brave private browsing is great. What time frames are you using for daily trading? You're gonna have to come to the live streams like everybody else and see what we do. You will see the time frames. I'm up 2.5K on gold right now. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Nice job. Charlie, good morning. I like the Brave browser too. Oh yeah, I see we closed within the bank zone here. Is that what you used up here in this candle? Nice. Ain't gonna lie, 30 pips today would be a nice breeze, you know? you explain your micro view zones? Yeah. So, I did it in the beginning of the stream, so I'll just give you a quick summary, but you can always rewind it to the beginning of the stream. But these zones are zones that I deem to be important towards market structure. So there's specific support and resistances. So I'll explain these two right here. These two zones specifically is me grouping price together because price has been like consolidating in this area, right? So that's like the range. Okay. This zone down here, we had price come up. Let me get this. We had price come up, right? And then it came back down. And then when price came up again, we had a little bit of trouble here, right? We have an order block here on the 15-minute. So what I'm seeing from this order block is it's kind of matched up with this resistance. So you know how they say old resistance becomes new support? So I do deem this to be an important zone here because we have an order block sitting there on the 15-minute. Okay. Looks like we still continue down regardless. Cameron, welcome to the official friend. Cameron, welcome. The rest of you who are new, do consider reading the frequently asked questions. Read the description. Most of those answers are there. Morning, how you doing today? Did you go through the NASDAQ? Thanks for everything you do. Thanks, Toker. Good morning, Toker. No, I didn't go through NAS. So if you're new to the stream, we start off with GJ and gold in the beginning of the stream. Towards 8 o'clock, which is in like 1 hour, we switch over towards US30. We still do gold and GJ, you know, but we start to add in US30 and then we start to add in NAS. So we kind of gradually add in our pairs throughout the stream. So like this sell didn't align with all of my confluences, but maybe could have got 20 pips out of it, but hey. You know, one thing about discipline is when you first start off, it is hard to stay out of trades, but once you get used to it, there's trades every day, so it don't really mean anything. Omar, good morning. Giovanni, good morning. You love the Stevie Wonder remix? Highland, do you used to get FOMO when you choose not to trade this gold setup and watch it run after? Yeah, I used to get a lot of FOMO, yeah. I used to just hop in. Even when I was trying to keep myself from trades, I would still hop in, and then I would kind of kick myself for it because I'm like, I knew not to hop in. Like, I'd have my whole strategy, hey, you're only going to take 1 trade a day, you're going to take 2 trades a day, or whatever it was, 3 trades a day. And I'd hop in, and I'd go against my rules. And every single time I went against my rules, I lost. And I deserved it. I deserved it because I didn't stick to my rules. You know? Ready to confirm me on Discord. You see me on the Discord server, so I'm not really sure what you're talking about. When you see me on the Discord server, you can click my profile on the Discord server. I'm a little confused here. Got my sub, love all these pairs. Oh, thanks, Jason. Welcome. Are you trading or is it just a market analysis? Well, you gotta read the thumbnail. The thumbnail's pretty self-explanatory, I think. Other than that, I'm gonna say you're gonna have to just look us up. If you don't know who we are by now, you just gonna have to look us up. I don't introduce myself no more. Don't chase the money, you'll end up broke every time. Facts. Hi, I'm new to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Dennis up 77 pips. Beautiful, beautiful. Up 3K right now. Feeling accomplished after yesterday's kicking my butt. Yeah, there you go. Bounce right back. Hey, Camp. Good morning, fam. How's it going? Alexander said... Oh, wait. Where you go, Alexander? You, FOMO, really? See, that gives me courage. You're so disciplined now. Yeah. Learn the difference between impulse trade and FOMO trade here on the streams. Yeah, you did, Tony? Yeah, you know, especially if you're new, I mean, actually, it doesn't really matter if you're new. Regardless if you're new, impulse trades can be difficult because they're impulsive. You know, typically impulse trades are specific setups. Typically, it's when volume's moving pretty quickly too. So it's like either you're in or you're out. You know, you got to make that decision. You know, and they're risky typically too. You know. Is this a place you created or listened to a specific channel? No, I didn't create it. It's a specific channel. Yeah. You like the music? Yeah, I'll give you the link. Where can you find the plan? Links down below in the description. Here's a music link right here. It's in the chat. You should be able to see it. Let me know if you can't see it. Claiborne, good morning. Welcome back. Tricky said sessions. Not sure what you mean. We had a daily FVG. Yep. Alexander, good morning. Love your hats. Thank you. Love the analysis. I'm a new trader. Happy to see my markups almost similar to yours. Oh, nice. Nice. Do you come live every day? Yes. Yep. We're here Monday through Friday, y'all. Read the description, y'all. Just read it. That's all you got to do is read. Eating from Australia. Welcome. Just join the fam. Yeah, I see. Good morning. Been watching for about a week here. Have you tried Bookmap to give a visual setting orders on golden futures? Nope. Never heard of Bookmap. I have no idea what that is. There is a scammer on Discord posting as you just figured out how to tell you difference. Should that be reported? Discord, Telegram, in that way. There's a lot of them, so it is what it is. There's nothing I can do about it, you know. There's so many of them that y'all have no idea, and it's every week. So keep creating a new one and a new one and a new one. Believe it or not, there's so many. I don't have a screenshot with me, but I wish I could show you a screenshot of how many we banned. You wouldn't believe it. Carrie, hi, good morning. Do we have another spot to use beside Discord? No, we pretty much use Discord. That's it, just Discord. All right, let's see. This candle's gonna close in 4 minutes. GJ's in the same spot. And just bouncing around here. $39 pips. Wow. We're definitely headed towards a 15-minute FVG, so I wonder if that's just a pullback to continue up for the day. Just a heads up to my super supporters. Just being patient here. Got about 2 minutes. 2 minutes on the clock. Today looks like dollar pump and dump. Hi, watching from Bahrain. Welcome, welcome. Not official without a like. Thanks, Limo. If you guys smell anything in the kitchen, you're making spicy pumpkin soup. Marcos be fired. Thanks, Crypto. Close 2K profit, stopping profit. Good day for sure. Nice. Going from one of those epic days. Beautiful, Dennis. Beautiful. Did you get the US30 buys we took yesterday at the end of stream? Let me know, Dennis. Did you take those? If gold breaks 1700, then I think it's the beginning. Was it beginning of a head and shoulders formation? Oh, okay. Hi, Karan. Welcome back. It's nice you say 15-minute FVG, and I already have it on the chart. You do? You have it on the chart? Yeah, you see it? Okay. Not this chickmunk stuff. Hold on. We're skipping that. What in the world? First time being here to the channel. I wanted to know, is there a way I can get the same spreadsheet you have trying to grow 200 account? Yeah, it's down below. Link is in the description. Most of the questions people are asking, the links are in the description. Answer frequently asked questions are in the description as well. What website do you use to check the news? I use forexfactory.com. You don't have to use that. You can use any website you want. I also use my Discord. So if you're in my Discord, we have news that drops. All right, that 15-minute candle closed, y'all. Let's see if we head down towards that 15-minute FVG. But yeah, let me pull up the Discord. So yeah, I use forexfactory.com and I use the Discord. So I'm going to show you both of those things. Wait, what? How come I can't log in? I was about to say. Okay, so this is forexfactory.com. Boom, boom, boom. I'll put the link in the chat for you. Okay. The mods are laughing. Y'all are funny. Okay, so there's the link. And as far as the Discord goes, live news updates. This is in my server. This updates all day. And it's not just news, you know, tech stuff. Things you want to know. If you ever need a read, it's a lot of good stuff in here. And this is updated all day. Look, 7:15, 7:08, 7:02, 6:59. Look, this is all this morning. But yeah, I use my server. Pretty much. Good morning, Tubbs. If my strategy lines up, gold should bounce right here from that demand zone in 15 minutes. I'm thinking it may go a little bit lower before bouncing up, but we'll see. If it doesn't go a little bit lower before bouncing up, I may leave it alone. Depends how it closes. But I think if we get a nice reversal today, I think that'll be a really good setup for us. So let's see. Kendall, good morning. Welcome back to the stream. Yeah, I see, well, you can't see this one because YouTube blocks it, but it's like every day there's someone that asks about my camera, and I think I talked about that last Friday. So my camera is on my face, but it doesn't show everything for the purposes of, I don't want you to look at me as someone of status higher than you, right? I could point my camera down, I could show you my chains and all that stuff. I can show you the watch on my hand, which I did show you last Friday. But the point is I don't want you to, I can show you what I'm wearing, right? For all you know, I got a damn a Mary hoodie on, $1,000 hoodie on, whatnot. But anyway, I don't want you to look at the materialistic stuff. I want you to focus on the trading, because a lot of you, the only thing you see is materialistic things from people. You don't actually see trading, right? So I want you to see me the way you see yourself. You know, I want you to focus on getting the knowledge, not focus on what I have, right? Because what I have is not important. That's irrelevant. I want you to focus on learning, focus on trading. You know, make sense? I don't want you to look at me as someone better than you or anything like that, you know? Also, the fact you love Nick Merckx, that's another reason why the camera's on. Make sense? And I don't really care about flexing. If I wanted to flex, I would have flexed the last 365 days I've been in front of your face. If I wanted to flex, you'd see the cars, you'd see the house, you'd see things that I own. But I don't care what people think. If you're new to the stream, I don't care what people think. And people who've been here will tell you that. I truly don't. And that's a statement in itself. Israel, good morning. Can't join your Discord because you can't read. Vanessa, good morning. Appreciate the hard work you give every day, day out. Don't understand how hard your job is. Appreciate you, Lens, for real. Appreciate that. That's so 90s. That's so 90s. That's true. We are playing all the 90s songs. Lens, you're legit humble. You're awesome. Thank you. Did you enter a trade now? No, you don't see it on the screen, do you? You gotta pay attention, you know. You gotta learn how to pay attention, because if you don't pay attention, you're not gonna learn anything. Discord link expired. The one under the video, let me check it. let me see if one of the mods deleted it. Let me see. Alright, I'm gonna have to get a new Discord link for now. So like you see, looks like gold is still heading down. I believe she would go towards this area down here, so let's see. That's good, that's good. I like where she's headed. I'm creating a new link as we speak. Oh, I think I know why. I think I know why it's gone, because we're working on the server right now. Okay. Yeah, y'all, so the Discord link's gonna be down for probably just for today. I can't fix it right now though, but we are working on some things for the server. What I could do is I could do it. Oh, I could do a temporary link for this. Okay. Okay, I got a temporary link for you. No free section in Discord? Absolutely not. Not no more. It used to be free. Absolutely not. It's gone. It was free for a year. Absolutely not. Even when we had the memberships, we still had a free we still kept the Discord free and everything else open, but people still acted up, so. New here, very excited to gain greater understanding. Want to know if you use institutional candles, institutional lows, part of your confluences. What's up, Ebony? Welcome to the stream. The things that I use, I don't talk about. I talk about them with super supporters when we do the workshops. So that's when we go over everything in detail. So you have to wait for the workshop. But yeah, that's a temporary link for today, y'all. One second, y'all. Okay, I like the way gold's looking. I likes this gold. I like the way gold's looking. We have about 4 minutes till this candle closes. I'm thinking we may get that reversal. We filled out a FVG here in the 15 minutes. You're a super supporter. You already know what I'm talking about. Okay. How big is this range? Like 40? Like I said, about 3 minutes left till this candle closes. I just want to take a look at the bank zones real quick. Okay, we have one right here. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my keys ready to. I don't need that no more. I'm gonna turn them on to prepare for an entry because we got about 2 minutes left. So I'm just preparing. I'm thinking that price has been moving bullish all morning. We're retracing back down here to continue up. It's the only detail I'm going to give you. There's more details, but that's for super supporters. By the way, super supporters, I'm going to send you something. All right. If you're a new super supporter, then you're not going to understand because you're new and you haven't had a workshop yet. But if you've been here, you already know. So I'm just preparing my zones here. Hi, now became a member. Welcome, welcome. Coop says TV12. Alright, this new 15-minute candle don't have no wick. Don't do us like that. No bottom wick is crazy. I was looking for this candle to make a wick down then continue up, but we didn't do that. Looks like she's gonna break that previous high too. So yeah, I was looking for entry here, but man. No bottom wick, come on fam. Let me zoom out a little bit. Oh man, she's going crazy. Oh, we would have had it. The only thing that kept me from entering here was the no bottom wick. But I guess I could have just used that wick as a stop loss. You said there's a tiny bottom wick? What? Not on my screen. There is for you? Is there really? Let me know in the, actually, let's take a poll in the chat. Is there a tiny wick? That's the poll. You should see it in about 3 seconds. Gold being bougie. Oh man, we could have had 30 pips solid. Haha, we had that. No wick, you just took it? Oh my goodness, Tony. Tony's I took it anyway. Anyone else take it anyway? Y'all are funny. Tony said, I don't care, I'm taking it. She toxic. Jamar jumped in. Is there a super smart? Zoom in. I gotta see this. I ain't gonna lie. There's no way that I missed this. Off of some baby wick. I don't see nothing there, chat. Where y'all see that at? Are y'all serious? Waiting for a double bottom. Yeah, we may get one on the 5 minute. We'll see. That's wild. What, you mean baby wick on this 5 minute candle? Is that what y'all meant? You said they're trolling? Because there's no way I see it. Chat is capping? Is the chat capping? Bro, I really don't see it. Chat, why y'all trolling? Y'all gotta be trolling. I really don't see it. There's no way. We just zoomed all the way in. It's on TradingView? Bet. Let's go to TradingView then. Let's hop over to TradingView. Let me see this. Definitely not. Y'all are cap. Oh, wait. No, they're not capping. Wait. Yo, they're not capping. I see it. I see it. Yo, they're not capping. Chat, I'm so sorry. Whoa, it's there. Yo. Ain't no way. How did you see that when you... How did y'all see that? How do you see it? Were y'all zoomed in like this when the candle opened? Like, I'm confused. Is that how y'all trade? There's no way you were zoomed in like this. Nah, there's no way. There's no way. Nah, there's no way y'all was zoomed in like that for this trade. Oh my goodness, there was a baby wick. GG's. Well, we missed that. That would have been a solid trade today. 34 pips so far. Wow. I'm so sorry, chat. That's tough. I would need triple glasses to see it. On Hanko, there's no wick. Okay, so thank you. Yeah, okay. So Hanko, there's no wick. On TradingView, there was a wick. Gotcha, gotcha. So we can still wait for a pullback, maybe? Well, I mean, that kind of was the pullback, you know. That kind of was it. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. So my Forex funds, there's no wick either. Some people will be good detectives. Hi, Carla. Yeah, y'all would make some good detectives. Y'all could zoom in like that. Jeez. That's crazy. So we got cheated then. We got cheated. What's up, Hinko? You should have gave us a baby wick so that we would have entered. If there was a baby wick, we would have entered. I didn't see it. That's crazy. All that hard work. We would have took partials now and just ride it out to, you know. I'll keep this on just in case, go to the 5-minute. On that note, chat, I'm going to need me some hot chocolate. I ain't gonna lie. Well, we got 7 minutes left on this candle. I'll be right back. I'm going to go get some hot chocolate, okay? From downstairs. Make sure that everyone is nice to each other. Please and thank you. Be nice. I'll be back. I'm back. She continued. We're not gonna get that double bottom on the 5. That's tough. We had this set up, y'all. We definitely had it. That's so tough. Riri, yeah, she's doing the Super Bowl. All right. Well, let's go back to the 15-minute. Those of you that just joined, asked we're looking at gold. Yeah, we're looking to take buys here, but I didn't see a bottom wick, so I stayed away from it, and that's where we're at right now. So so I'm gonna take this off. The balance is right here. It says 5,616. It's right there. So we're doing 5K to 10K. We're doing 5K to 50K. Gotta read the thumbnails, y'all. Gotta read the titles. Reading is fundamental. The time is above my face. Gotta open your eyes and read. Gotta utilize everything. Everything. All right, let's see. I just want to see what this looks like on the 1 hour. Yeah, so we had some good zones here today. It's just entry confluences. Good zones, y'all. Good zones. As always, right? We always do pretty well here with our zones, whether we get a trade or not. Let's check on GJ. Oh, are we getting a reversal here? So again, it tapped right into our zones here. It reversed. We were kind of focused on gold, so that is what it is. Looks like the next 15-minute candle is about to start. Okay, I can definitely see us reversing here as well. The hourly is going to close in 15 minutes. So I'm thinking about waiting for the next hourly candle. But I could see us ranging back up here. What is this, like 80 pip gap? Let me see. This is the new candle. Oh, I forgot to take that poll away. I'm sorry, y'all. Banks on indicator. Yes, this is one that I didn't. That is not released yet. It's on MT5. So there's a free one on TradingView for y'all that I made a video for. And the one here, we did not release the software for MT5 yet, so it's a few things we have to work out, and it will be released very, very soon, sooner than you think. Yeah, so I'm thinking maybe wait for the next candle. I think that's the best bet here. So we'll wait. How's gold doing? Ooh. No bueno there, no bueno. Let's actually hop over here and check out Forex Factory for the day. Some scammers are bloody stupid. Got one right now. Side chatting me on Discord, DMing, pretending to be Lens during the live stream, saying she or he trades crypto. Isaac, hello. Let's see you. Is it better to wait for the hourly close when we're at the 45? Well, 8 o'clock is a specific hour, right? It's New York Open. So it's a very, very specific hour. So, I mean, it really depends on the trade setup. It always changes, you know. Oh, I see the super supporters. Y'all got my message. Nice, nice. Y'all are on it. Okay. I'm just trying to turn something off here. Just give me 1 second. Okay, there we go. That's what I want to do. And all the markings you make, you can scalp. That's what I do. Why don't you make a short scalp? I go against, okay, I don't want to say this. The reason why I don't do things is because I have a system that I use and I follow my system. Does that make sense? The reason why you're not profitable is because you don't have a system that you follow faithfully. I meant the bank zones are not available yet. Not available yet. I'm one of 2 people that have this software, me and the creator. I will be announcing when it's going to be released very soon. But there's a free version that we released on TradingView, so you can use the free version on TradingView. Think about hopping on gold candle flip. That's all I'm looking at. That's exactly what I'm looking at. I'm looking at a candle flip possibly here for 8 o'clock. I think it'll be a beautiful play here. You took the words right out of my mouth. Because I'm looking at GJ. And yeah, maybe if we break this high here on the hourly, maybe, you know, but it's very choppy. Versus if you look at gold, we closed bullish, right? We broke highs here. We're retracing, but we got a weak bearish candle so far. We'll see how it closes, right? If it continues to close weak bearish, then we already know what's going on here. We still have this gap here to fill. It's about 52 pips. Okay, and then we have a line up here that we believe that price was going to go to today. So this was if you were at the morning session this morning. I said that I believe price was going to go up to, was it 1719, 1720, around that area. So it's about 139 pips away. So you could say like 140 pips away. Can't see my screen. I got you. My fault. All right, I'll do it over so you can see it. My fault. Okay. Are you ready? You can see my screen now? Yeah, okay. So on GJ, if we're looking at GJ, this looks very rangy, right? I want you to pay attention to this line I draw. See this trend line I draw? This right here, all this movement, it looks very rangy. So if you compare that to, if I come over to gold, if you compare that to this is nice and clean, right? This is a nice clean area for gold to fill out. So that's why I'm saying gold is more accurate. Now for GJ, yeah, so I think I'm gonna leave GJ alone. So going over to gold, we're talking about the candles flipping. We're talking about that we had this huge bullish candle here, right? Next candle is looking quite weak. So even though we are retesting, this is kind of seems like it's the retest before we continue up. And if you were here in the morning, I said that I believed that price would get up to this line today if we were bullish. So this is about 1719, 1720. Okay. So it's 752. So I'm going to let this candle rock a little bit more. Maybe in about 5 minutes, I may look to put a buy stop on this. Anticipating price to continue up. And if I do a buy stop, I'm already thinking about my stop loss, right? So you always want to think about your take profit and your stop loss before you take an entry. You should already have that idea in place. Okay. So I'm thinking my stops will probably be below this wick. So about 24 pips, which means that I'm going to be using half of my risk. So that's just to account for risk. So if you're new, I'm going to bring you over here so you can see what I'm talking about. This is our October summary. We're counting pips, lot sizes, all that good stuff. We got it all here. Percentage growth, profit growth if you're new to the stream. Also, if you're new to the stream, this is September. I'm just going to hold it up for a little bit so you can see it. I did make a video review on it. Trading plan. So we said we're going to risk 1 to 2%. We're not risking more than that. We never risk 3% on this, nothing like that. So when it comes to lot sizes, actually, well, we could risk our 0.5 here. Well, actually, it says 20 to 30 pips. So 20 pips, we're going to risk 0.5. 30 pips, we're going to risk 0.25. I mean, it's 4 pips away, so it's not too off. I may go with the 0.5 here. Let's see how this candle acts. Like I said, it's a weak bearish candle. Look at it, it's weak. Fastest way to deposit? Yeah, I use Coinbase. This hot chocolate is really good. How do you calculate daily, weekly, monthly goals? It's just simple math. Simple math. I put a daily goal for this account, and after that you just multiply it out. I mean, if you make a certain amount a day, it's kind of easy to find out how much you would make at the end of the week if you make the same amount. It's just adding it up. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, this template, yes, link in the description. Yeah, don't come up here telling us to place a trade, because I will shut this down to members only stream. Don't do that. Next person that does that, I'm shutting it down to members only stream. Wow, look at that wick down. I was hoping we would close bearish, honestly, for the next candle, but found a video for the template. Nice, nice. You said trash can? Oh, no, no, that wasn't the trash. That was the school bus. The younger kids go to school around this time. There's a school bus outside. It actually wasn't on my street. It was going by my street. All right. Time is crunching down here. Looks like it's gonna have to be a market buy. I was gonna be putting a stop loss above the high here, but we flipped up. So what can we do? About 52 seconds left. How many monitors do you use? I have 3 monitors, but I only use 2. And then I have my laptop over here. I have a MacBook, and then I have an iPad in front of me as well. All right, 5 seconds. Looking to take an impulse here. See if we wick down and then push up. See if we break this candle high because we created a wick down now. Stop loss will be below the current candle, of course, if it wicks down and pushes up. Watching the chart, y'all. I'll take a peek at the chat after. the only way for me to take an entry is if it flips back up bullish here. Okay, so let me put a notification on so I can read the chat. Guess what? Just passed phase 1. You passed phase 1. Let's go, A7. Let's go, fam. I'm so happy for you. And you were thinking about quitting. Look at that. Look at that. All right, let's see if we cross up through this bank zone. And she may be headed back up here. You look for an entry as soon as we cross through that bank zone. 1705, y'all. Will we cross through 1705? Let's see. Suspense, suspense, suspense. Need to play that Michael Myers music, the Jaws music, something. And it's Halloween month. Lots of suspense on this trade. All right, there we go. We are in. Come on, I can't draw this out. Okay, so the idea of this trade is pretty much, this is the trade idea. Lots of patience on that one. Jeez. All right. Almost to 1 pip. We're bouncing around that area. And here we go. Will we rocket ship? Let's throw some fire in the chat. Let's throw some rocket ships in the chat. Let's give ourselves some encouragement on this trade. Let's hype it up. Let's get hyped, y'all. Come on. Oh, yeah, trade tab. Yep, sorry about that. Yep, I'm on the trade tab now. Hey, there we go, y'all. There we go, y'all. Let's hype it up. There we go. There we go. You said not yet. Well, if you pay attention to the stream, if you open up your ears, you'll see that we said that we're hyping it up. Took the same trade as you. Oh, nice, nice. We're just hyping it up, that's all. 4 pips above is crazy. Is it me or is that music hella loud? It's hella loud. Alright, y'all, so this is what we're gonna do. It is 8 o'clock. It's question of the day. So let's get straight into it while we're waiting here. Risk management has already been in place for this trade. So either we're gonna get stopped out or we're gonna get a win. That's pretty much how it's gonna go. It's a little loud. Yeah, I just turned it down a little bit. Is it better now? The music brings the vibe. Y'all are so funny. Wordle? Oh, nah, I want you to watch the stream while we do question of the day. So I'm going to check the Discord. If there's any members who would like to post in question of the day, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You can post, or you can just type it in the chat here. Actually, it'll be a bit easier. You just type it in the chat here. You was jamming. Should I turn my laps up upside down for gold? That's funny. No, I mean, you shouldn't. It shouldn't matter to you if you're in drawdown. If you managed your trade correctly, then drawdown shouldn't matter to you, because either you're gonna get stopped out or you're not. You should be grateful to be stopped out because you're managing your trade, and if you don't get stopped out, even better because you win your trade. You know. I did turn the music down. I honestly feel like we should probably use the previous candle stop loss. That's about 10 pips away though. That might have been the only thing I see here. Whoop. Yeah, the only thing I'm thinking is maybe we should have used this low instead. Oh, 6 pips away. All right, anybody got a question of the day? Be grateful if you get stopped out. Really, you're not a full-time trader. In fact, don't you have work later on today? You don't have plenty of cash lying around. So I know what I'm talking about, and you don't know what you're talking about. So remember that when you go to sleep tonight and you think about, damn, I'm not where I want to be in life. I don't actually enjoy my life. I'm not happy in life. Remember, that's because I know what I'm doing and you don't. So when you question my abilities, remember I know what I'm doing and you don't. That's why you're stuck. Riri songs are the best? Yeah, I agree. 100% I agree. All right, question of the day. I got it. This is for everyone in the chat. Here we go. Oh, wait. Oh, KFC got it. What are some personality traits you see common among successful traders? Well, there we go. I was about to do one. Okay, that's better. That's better than mine. I like that. Way better than mine. All right, we'll do that. Thanks, KFC. All right, y'all. So I'll let you name things in the chat. What's up, Pocketing Pips? What's up, fam? I see you. Well, it looks like we're out of drawdown. So we're chilling. I'll let y'all fire off a round in the chat. You can talk about some traits and I'll talk about some traits. So go ahead. What traits do you see in successful traders? Personally, discipline is number one. People aren't disciplined. People aren't following their plans. They're hopping in and out of trades. They don't have a system that they follow every day. You got to have a system that you follow, you know? Number two, patience. I'm sure you heard of patience before. I think that word describes in itself. I don't think I need to elaborate on patience. Once you have a system, you'll realize that you're kind of waiting for price to make a setup, you know, and make the setup that you like. So in order for price to create the setup that you like, you got to be patient, right? You don't just magically come onto the chart and boom, there's your setup. Sometimes you have to wait for your setup. Like today, we waited for our setup, right? Our setup didn't happen at 6:30. It happened, what was it, 8 o'clock now? Right? We had to wait a whole hour and a half. Next, I'm going to say this one's not a personality trait per se, but it has to do with it has to do with your energy. Typically people who are successful have that good energy around them. They don't have the mindset of being miserable. They don't have the mindset of being depressed. Now, don't get me wrong. I get it. I know some of you out there are upset. Some of you out there are depressed. I get it. Trust me, I get it. Don't worry. But what I'm saying is you have to manifest positivity into your life. You know, you have to think positive. Because if you're just trading and you're thinking, oh, I'm gonna lose the trade anyway, then that's not a good way to think about it, right? You have to think positive about the trade, right? You see how we were thinking positive about this trade, even though we're in drawdown? You got to think positive, right? Think positive, y'all. By the way, it's 8:15. So here's the new 15-minute candle. Okay, so I think successful people have the trait of being able to think positive no matter what. All right. When you wake up in the morning, tell yourself, I got this. One of you I talked to yesterday, you said you were bad at math. It was in the Discord. And I was like, no, don't say that. Say you're going to get better at math. Because every time you say you're bad at math, you're manifesting yourself to be bad at math. You can do it. So those are things that I think are important. Persistence, I like that. Broker Hinkle trade. I think the 30-minute flipped bullish, did it? Oh, looks like it. Yeah, it looks like 30-minute created wick down here. Am I a pro or what? Bruh. Chat, why they play with us, chat? Why they be playing, bro? Ay. It's funny. She's having a hard time getting up there. Push, baby, push. Push, baby, push. So remember, the trade idea is right here. Oh, let me zoom in so you can see it. Let me zoom in. TP1 was 1710. So I'm looking for 1710 for TP1, but I may take the little TP a little earlier. Let's see. Let's see how that 30-minute looks now. Let's see how the hourly looks now. Well, the hourly looks pretty good. 30-minute looks good. I mean, we're up about 11 pips, so I think it's time for us to move stops to break even. Let's move those stop losses to our entry. So I just did that in the magic keys. I just clicked stop loss to entry. Now I'm gonna let it rock. You can see that we're up $66, $70. You can see it down here. You are official. Thanks, Jamar. Manifest Lens, find a great successful trader. Let's go. Let's go hardcore. Rockets in the house. Yeah, go ahead and spam it up, y'all. You can spam up the bulls. What are we, 2 minutes in? We are headed towards an imbalance. So we definitely want to be careful. Or may close partials at the imbalance. Imbalance is around 1708. So we get up to 20 pips. Let's see if we get up to 20 pips. I'm gonna take some partials here. I gotta get the chat back up here. When's a living dub? Appreciate that, Robbie's. Up 190. Nice. Nice, y'all. Amazing trade. Took my gains. Ran away. Nice. There we go. We're up 20. All right, baby. We're up 2%. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna close half. So this time I closed half. Usually I close 80%, but this time I closed half. So I'm gonna take you over to trading history. You're gonna see that I secured 80 cents away from 1%. That's damn near 1%, right? $49.20. So 1% for us is $50. So again, I secured $49.20. So now we hit our 1% for today. We got half running. I am looking for the other half to hit. Let me delete that. TP up here. Let me turn off these zones now. Looking for it to hit TP up here. So let's see if we can get there. It's about 111 pips away. So yep. Big chillin'. Big chillin' chat. Where you get that brown sugar mix? What's up, Effie and Felix? What's up, fam? Welcome back. Trust your analysis. That's right, Charlie. So there is an imbalance here on the 15-minute, which is why it's rejecting right now. Oh, man. Big rejection. Okay, so that is why I closed half. Okay, again, there's an imbalance in this area, so you want to be very careful. Move to break even? Yeah, stops are break even, yep. Too late? Yeah, it's too late now. Definitely too late now. Looks like gold's not gonna give us that rocket ship today. It's all good. We definitely smacked the middle of that imbalance. So if she does reverse here, then she's probably gonna really come down if she does reverse here. Let me see. What did I want to do while we're waiting here? Can't find my picture. Let's bring you over here. Trading summary. Let's go to October. Today is 10/4. This was at 8 o'clock. This was gold. This was market buy. This was a 0.5. I'll put in that later. There's no news. I'm just inputting our $49. Jeez, that candle looks rough. I just wanted to see the history. Was it 49.20? Okay, 49.20. All right. 49.20. So again, we were close to 1%, 0.98% today. 0.98. I will clear this out. I will add some notes. So yeah. That's where we're at right now. So far this month, we're only up $60. We're only up 1.2% so far this month. And this number may change depending on what happens when we get stopped out. So I'm just letting it take its course. All right, fam, I'm a little behind in the chat. I do apologize, a little bit behind in the chat. So I'm gonna do my best to catch up. Are you on the right screen? Oh yeah, you can see MT5, okay. Can't wait for the magic keys. Oh, you ordered them? How would you know by chance of bank levels on SPX, like US30? Hi, Alexandra. Yeah, so you would use it the same way you use the US30 ones. Use it the same way you use US30. Use it the same way you use NAS. I would recommend you watch my NAS Bake Zone video. I think that's the best one. So it's a free course, free everything. I go through the basics, and I have like a little coin diagram in that one, but yeah, I think that the NAS one is the best one. So check that one out, and you can apply the same thing to SPX. Yep. How much would be worth risking a $10 account? Don't even trade it. Don't even open up that account. That's just wasting your time. Don't trade that account. Don't waste your time opening one up with a broker. Just don't even waste your time. Oh wow, looks like we came back up here. Back up to 20 pips. What? Our runners running 1%. Look, our runners up $50. Okay. What happened here? Let's go to the 5-minute. Wow, look how W spreads. Come on now, don't cap. Look at this. Look at this W spread right here. Look how far away we were. 1.5 pips away. Come on now. 1.5 pips away from stop loss. Bro. Come on. W spread. W Hanko Trade. Y'all looking for a new broker, make sure you check out Hanko Trade. We don't get stopped out here. You know what I'm saying? Let's check out our trade now. Let's check it out on the 30-minute. This is what it looks like on the 30-minute and trading view. Beautiful. Beautiful. We're up 25 pips. We're having a good stream today, huh, chat? We're having a great stream. Everyone's winning. That's what we like to see. Everyone's winning. That's what we like. Everyone's making money. That's what we want. Took 40 pips on GJ. On GJ? What GJ do? Okay, yeah. So if you were late to the stream, let me turn off my zones. These were the zones here that I had for GJ to reverse. As you can see, we touched right on it. When we closed bullish here, I said that this looks really choppy, so I wanted to focus on gold rather than GJ to take buys, but it looks like GJ would have worked out pretty good as well. If we would have took GJ buys, nice. It's okay. Up about 29 pips. We're already up more than 1% already. Nice. I'm stuck on this channel. Appreciate that, Sydney. We'll join your live next session. Yeah, come on through. Got tapped out 2 pips away from entry. Up 4.3K. Oh, see, Dennis, you made your money for the day. Got delivery and you missed it. No. Speaking of, I think my shoes are coming in today. I'm excited for that. The pip counter is a part of the magic keys. So I will point that out for you. There is a link down below to the magic keys, but what I'll do is, oh, wait. We're up 34 pips, y'all. Man, she pushing. Oh, are we about to break this on the hourly? Oh yeah, keep going. We about to just let it ride. Should we just let it ride, y'all? Oh man. Oh man. Hold on a second. I want to check my other accounts. I'm gonna show you the magic keys in one minute. I promise. Oh yeah, we looking good out here. We looking real good. Amazing. Very close. Very, very close to where I want to be. This is the new 15-minute candle, y'all. Sorry, y'all. I'm just checking my other accounts here. They're looking quite spicy. They're looking great. That's all I'm gonna say. They're looking real good. All right, magic keys. Let me not get too distracted. Magic keys, magic keys. We'll come right back to that. So if you come to the stream, if you click on the stream, whoa, there's 1,300 people here. Yo, make sure you smash the like button if you're enjoying the stream. Make sure you smash the like button right here. Look at that. Make sure you smash the like button if you got a win today. Make sure you smash the like button if you're up, and just smash it just to smash it for positivity. Oh, right here. What I use, magic keys. So if you click this link, this will take you to the keys right here. Boom. So this is that counter. But yeah, I'm not going to go through all this. You can just click the link and read it. But that is what it is. Yes, sir. All right, all set there. I'm just closing it on my other account, so I'm going to keep it open on this account. Okay, I'm going to keep it open on this account. All right. Hey, chat. Oh, man. I would show it, but it's... Oh, man. I want to show it so bad. I wish... If only you knew how much. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. And this is a runner. That's all I'm going to say. Check out our trade, y'all. Beautiful trade, y'all. Beautiful. We're heading up towards TP1, just so that you know. Yes, we are. We're headed up there. Appreciate y'all smashing the like button. Thank you so much. Really do appreciate that. See, we hit 600 likes. That's all we got to do. Really looking into start my Forex journey. Can anyone lead me to where to start? Yeah, right here. You in the right spot. Gold is a bad. Should we trail and stop this? Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna look at the chat. Should we trail and stop this? Yes or no? Reach 1710. You're right. We did. Well, 1709. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. I see more yeses. All right. Let's move it up below here. Trail and stop. Trail and stop is 26 pips in profit. So that should give us an extra %. Ah, there we go. Hey. Round of applause for everyone today. Round of applause. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, get him gone, mods. Get him out of here. We don't want his energy here. Rich mindsets only. That's the only mindsets I like to be around. Boss mindsets. The only people that are here are bosses. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. So I think it's about time we play our celebration song for future. So yeah, this is what it's looking like now. Very happy with this trade. Let me just turn you over here so I can get the song ready. Because you already know. So if you are new to the stream, there's one thing that we like to do when we get a win. And that's play that future, baby. So I'm going to need you to get out of your seat real quick. I'm going to need you to pause what you're doing because this is extremely important. I'm going to need you to stay. Sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Go ahead, drop some fire in the chat. If you blew a bag today, drop some fire in the chat. If you made some money today, drop some fire in the chat if you're enjoying the stream. Come on now. Did really, really well today. So you know what time it is? It's time to take a look at the profit. And it's time to fill out our sheet. After this, we will move over to US30 and NAS. All right. Let's see. We made $114.98. Beautiful, y'all. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Really happy with that. Spreadsheet time. Okay. I need a picture of this. So I'm going to put a picture of that. All right. Entry was 1705.37. Oh, let me put that music back on for y'all. Do you use Hakanaishi candles? No. I use the regular candlesticks. I use the OGs. And we took partials too, but I'll just put where that trailing stop was. That was at 17. Oh no 1707. My fault. 0.97. So we got to change this to 114.98, which would have been like double this if we used our full lot size the whole time, if we didn't take partials. Okay, so 2.3%. Beautiful, y'all. Beautiful. We overachieved our goal for today. So let's see, 2.3%. Tuesday, 2.3%. And profit for Tuesday was 114.98. Boom. So you can see out of our goal of 250 for the week, we're already at 126. So, you know, we're halfway there. We're at the halfway mark, and it's only Tuesday, so it's really good. And you can see right here that we're at the halfway mark. So it's looking really good, y'all. We're doing our thing. Remember, this is going to start off really slow. This is September. If you missed September, if you're new to the stream, we do have our trading plan in place. It's going to start off slow, and it's going to start to pick up the pace. Okay, this is just the beginning. All right, let's get back over to MT5. Oh, it continued. That's okay. All good there. Let me bring the chat back up. Well done. Let's go. Let's go. NFP week 2, yeah. What's your trading plan? You have to watch my recent video. I do explain it thoroughly. Yep, I explain it thoroughly, the whole trading plan. But yeah, those of you who are interested in learning how to catch these reversals and stuff like that, that's pretty much what I teach. I'm pretty general. The super supporters will tell you I'm pretty broad on stream compared to the details that we do. If you're a new super supporter, make sure you check the announcements, make sure you check the events in the Discord, okay? Because today we do have a back testing stream for the news for tomorrow. What else? We got Asian stream tonight. We got so yeah. So yeah, I'm actually thinking about just closing the stream early today. I think this may be the first stream that we stop early today. I mean, everyone should be happy with the 2%. Right? Yeah, I think we're gonna let that be the W. Let me turn off my magic keys before I press a button. I think we're gonna let it be a W, y'all. I feel good about what we did. For those who don't know, I am using a trade copier, so it does copy to my other accounts. Other than that, yeah, I mean, I feel good about what we made today. So beautiful stream. Thank you. So yeah, so I'm gonna sign off. If you're a super supporter, we got a meeting at 12 o'clock today, 12 p.m. EST. So make sure you're there at 12 on Discord. Okay. Yeah, that's all I got. All right, that's all I got. So thank you so much for coming through. Yes, I do stream every day. Those of you new, all you gotta do is read the description. So yeah, not that hard. All right, y'all. Much love. Make sure you spread positivity. Make sure you keep a smile on your face. And I will see you tomorrow. All right, y'all. Much love. Appreciate it.